this is Sonia from Happy Space. Welcome back in my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. We are looking at the second section of the Beatitudes, and we are doing Matthew 5, verse 5 to 6. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are those who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they shall be satisfied. So this is the verse we're going to concentrate on this week. So you're going to put that behind the daily sections. So you're going to concentrate on that for the next 7 days. Your old daily verse you're going to put behind odd. So you're going to concentrate that on that verse on the odd days of the week. Your old even verse you can move into the odd day. And your old odd day you're going to move into the weekly section. I think we did last time Saturday, so I'm going to put it behind Sunday. So my old Sunday verse, I'm going to move into the monthly section. Yet again, you can choose anywhere. I'm just going to put, doesn't really matter. I'm going to put it here behind the 21st. So on the 21st, I'll just revise that old verse. Tomorrow, I'll get my book out, and then I will practice my memory verses here as I've done the previous weeks also. So yeah, you must have a very blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon.